Just now when I was leaving the house, I got my credit card. My credit card is back already. How quick was that? I just sent that off. This was a few days ago. I sent this off. That's crazy. And they sent it back with my name. Let's see, Shauna K. Henry. But I didn't open it because I was on my way out. I'm actually headed to go and get Kayla from school. So I opened the door and that's what I saw. I was like, what? Oh my gosh, I am here. Sorry, I just cut right here because I was like in such a rush. I was like, let me just continue this after. Imagine me driving and I'm hearing this sound, right? And I'm like leaning forward and I'm like, why is my car making that sound, right? And I'm leaning forward, slowing down and everything. Come to find out that is a car in front of me with a flat tire. That car tire is so flat and that man need to pull over. Like, he don't know that? He don't know that? Look at that. And it's making this sound. Soon he gonna end up on the rims, I'm telling you. Oh boy. What a day, what a day, what a day. Listen, Sean cooked dinner 2 days in a row. I'm back at home. But I just said I need to show you guys my dinner before because I'm about to go and eat right now. Because Sean made dinner 2 days in a row. Show you what Sean made us for dinner today. This is what we're having for dinner. We got some chicken and some veg, cabbage and carrots and broccoli, and you know, this is gonna go down so good. Thank you, baby. Thank you to my man and my man. Thank you to my man. Watch Kayla. Kayla is looking at me like, mommy, that trend done. Who cares if the trend done? Put up your cucumbers and mind your business. Mind your business. Like, who cares if the trend done? And my man. Thank you to my man. Good morning. What you doing? Yeah, see, I still have that Shein box from the other day. Every time we get any big boxes in the house, River gotta have it he uses it as his bus. So every day he's in it now, driving a bus. So we give him normally like a little week and change to play with it before we break it down. You know, kids love boxes, but we ain't about to keep a bunch of boxes in the house. But so yeah, every time now and then we get packages. But I'm chatting too much. It's a new day. Welcome, welcome, welcome if you're new here. So I am, where's the remote? Hold on. Because Miss Rachel always in my background. So I'm just here feeding Rain here because I turned off the TV. So this is a brioche, but I toasted it because River does not like River has something against soft bread. It's not something that he particularly enjoys. Since he was a baby, he prefers toast. So he loves toasted bread, but when it comes to like soft bread, not so much. He used to actually like these because it's so nice and soft. Brioche, you know, it's very buttery and stuff. But Rain loves toast as well, so I toasted it for her, and this is what's left. Let me show you guys her. Hey, Rainy Boo Boo. Hey. Yeah, so she's there eating. But this morning, oh my gosh, while I was taking ShéKayla to school, ShéKayla and my friend, I was on the phone with my friend as well, ShéKayla was like, Liam Payne died, oh my gosh, from One Direction. I was like, what? And then just reading, like, when I came home, it's like all over TikTok, it's all over the news, you know, because obviously he was from the UK. Quite sad, actually. He's actually quite sad, but may his soul rest in peace. He was only 31, you know. And then the details surrounding the whole thing, like he fell over a balcony and whatever. It's just tragic. Right, Rivy, you need some clothes on. You need some clothes on, Rivy. Huh? Where your clothes at, Riv? You're in the bus with no clothes. Oh gosh. Anyways, I am going to finish feeding Rain this brioche. Yeah, because I might need to hit the road. I think I need to. Oh, and Aldi. Good morning, you guys. It's a foggy Friday today. That tree's so beautiful though, isn't it? But the place is just so foggy. Oh my gosh, I had no idea it was gonna be this foggy. I just can't believe it's so foggy. I'm here taking ShéKayla to school, y'all. It's Friday. I know it's like a big jump from yesterday. I'm like, yeah, I've got a few things to do, but yesterday did not go as planned. Y'all know how it goes sometimes. But yeah, I am headed to take ShéKayla to school. Oh my gosh, the car is so cold. Walking to the car just now, it actually felt nice, like very crisp and stuff. But I had no idea it was gonna be so foggy this morning. Oh my gosh. I need to quickly stop at Asda. I went to Aldi already to do my major grocery shopping, but I forgot to get a few. Oh my gosh, I'm not wearing my ring. I never felt naked. I feel naked every time I forget my ring and stuff, you know. Kayla, why you got all them bracelets on your hand going to school though? I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to be wearing bracelets going to school. You didn't get in trouble for that already? ShéKayla got on like 8 bracelets. That's a bit much. Or you be the bracelet queen or something now?
I need more.
But yeah, now I am headed. Oh, what did I forget? You see, yeah. So I'm just gonna drop ShéKayla off, and I'm just gonna make a quick stop at Asda. Oh my gosh, ShéKayla, there's traffic. But you're gonna reach school early anyway. I don't know, but for some reason every Friday we reach school a lot earlier. There's not, I'm guessing there's traffic because of the fog and stuff, but usually Fridays we reach school so fast. There's always a little bit of traffic. Makes me wonder if people ain't going to school or going to work on Fridays or something. What's going on? But yeah, I'm gonna quickly stop at Asda. I don't think I'm gonna vlog in there though. Y'all probably tell you the supermarket. I'm only literally going in there for about just a few things. I actually forgot to buy. I forgot to buy butter and coconut milk, and I need a big bottle of whole milk. So a little knickknacks like that, yeah. But yeah, we'll pick this up after though. Yeah, look at what I'm wearing. Yeah, I'm about to go and try the Starbucks. I don't. Oh, it's right here. It's actually right here. Look, it's somewhere there. Oh, over there. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yes, I'm gonna go and try Starbucks. The pumpkin spice. I hope they have it. So let's go and try the pumpkin spice. So I have ordered it, guys. $5.35 for a pumpkin spice latte for a small one, and then $5.87 for the medium, which is grande. I don't know. And then they have venti, $6.50. I'm in here waiting, but yeah, hopefully it's nice. I hope it's nice. Starbucks expensive. £5, $5.87 for one drink. I bought 2 because I'm gonna give Sean wanted the same as well. I hope I'm not disappointed, because honestly, right? Yep. Okay. Sean is here for me. So let's get in. Oh my gosh, Sean, I can't believe it's so expensive. Hold that there right quick. All right, y'all. I tried it. So this is how far I've reached. Right? 1, 2, 3, them want to go over. What's wrong with them? Yeah, so this is what's left. It's not what I expected. It's okay. I think it's expensive. Out of 10, I think I would give it. Let me sip it one more time. I could probably give it an 8. What do you give it, Sean? I think 6. I could give it an 8 because I thought it would have been more spicy, like more nutmeg and stuff like that in it. I wish if I had nutmeg I would sprinkle some more in there on it, but other than that, it's okay. It's okay. But I don't know if it's worth £5.87 though. If that's, I think that's how much I paid for it. It's a bit much. How much y'all pay for this? Because y'all always pull on my I don't know, I watch so many American YouTubers and they live at Starbucks. They're like, Starbucks this, Starbucks that, or else they're going to what other place called Dunkin' Donuts. Is Dunkin' Donuts expensive as well, or Starbucks is more?
No, they're expensive. It's regular overpriced crap.
It is expensive because it's more expensive than Costa, I think. How much do you guys pay? This is a grande, if that's how you pronounce it. So this is a medium. I could have get a small actually, huh? But I never know with these things, because sometimes I get a small and then it's really small. But so that's why I was like, give me a medium. But yeah, it's all right. ShéKayla could taste some. She said she always wanted to try Starbucks, so maybe she could take a sip of mine. It should come out in time. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. We're headed to go get ShéKayla. So we left so I can finally go and try this, because I've been wanting to try this since this autumn started basically, and I didn't get to. So yeah, now I tried it and that's that. Will I go back? I don't know. We'll see. Anyways.